Do you know that a single frozen pipe burst can flood your home with hundreds of gallons of water in just a few hours? And the repair costs? Around $16,000. Here's what you can do if it happens. How to be safe. You must have heard the phrase, prevention is better than cure. This phrase fits perfectly in this case because there isn't much you can do if your pipe bursts in winter. So the best way to save money and reduce stress is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Number 1. Start by protecting the pipes that are most vulnerable: basements, crawl spaces, garages, and exterior walls. At Superior Plumbing, we've seen too many owners overlook pipe insulation. A small upfront cost now can save you thousands compared to a burst pipe repair. Number 2. Keep the air circulating around your pipes. Open cabinet doors under sinks, especially on freezing nights. In a situation like this, warm air is your first line of defense. Number 3. Let faucets drip slightly during extreme cold. Moving water is far less likely to freeze, and this small increase in your water bill is tiny compared to emergency repairs. Number 4. Lastly, never turn your heat off completely when you're away. This is one of the more common reasons for pipe bursts in Canada. Most winter pipe bursts occur when homeowners leave their houses for the weekend and turn off their heating systems. What to do immediately? If a pipe does burst, act fast because every second counts. First, turn off the electricity in affected areas to stay safe. Next, immediately shut off your main water supply. This one step can prevent thousands in damage. Lastly, open nearby faucets to relieve pressure and drain any remaining water from the system. Once all of this is done, start damage control. Move the furniture, rugs, and valuables out of standing water to protect them from moisture damage. Once everything is safe, call a professional to fix your pipe. A burst pipe in winter can be stressful. To ensure that doesn't happen to you, take precautionary measures to save yourself some money and hassle. Have you seen a pipe burst? Comment below.